Isa si Olympic gold medalist Heidelin Diaz Naranjo sa mga nananatiling pambato ng bansa sa magaganap na 33rd Southeast Asian Games ngayong Disyembre sa Thailand. Para sa detalye, narito ang report ni Paulo Salamati.
Hindi pa rin tapos ang tungkulin ni Philippines' first Olympic gold medalist Heidelin Diaz na irepresentang bandila ng bansa sa magaganap na weightlifting event ng 33rd Southeast Asian Games ngayong Disyembre sa Thailand. Sa kabila ng abalang schedule sa pagtuturo sa mga young weightlifters sa kanilang grassroots program at paghubog sa mga kabataang lalahok para sa palarong pambansa sa susunod na taon, patuloy pa rin na nag-eensayo si Diaz upang dagdagan ng 2 ginto, 2 silver at 1 bronze medal na kanyang nakuha sa nasabing torneo simula pa noong 2007. Aminado naman si Olympic Strength and Conditioning Coach at asawa ni Heidelin Diaz na si Julius Naranjo na hindi madali ang pagsabayin ng kanilang kampo ang misyon sa pagtuturo at mag-ensayo para sa SEA Games.
It's hard. It's not easy kasi we're also busy with what we're doing for Palarong Pambansa. Pero we understand that this is what it takes, and you know, she's still focused on SEA Games. She's still working hard for it, and we'll see. You know, if God grants us a SEA Games, we'll do it. We'll continue to keep working.
Sa kabila nito, ibinahagi rin ni Coach Julius ang kondisyon at posibleng tsansa ni Heidelin sa darating na biennial meet.
I think for me, you know, Heidelin, regardless of where she is in sports, whatever she does, you know, she's a big believer in our Lord Almighty, and I think, you know, whatever the results, it's still history making. She's still one of the greatest athletes from the Philippines, and in weightlifting as well. So I think in terms of what her results will be, you know, we're still training hard, and I think we'll leave that for the Lord to decide.
Umulan man o bumagyo, kasalukuyang nasa loob ng powered recovery gym si Heidelin upang ipagpatuloy ang kanyang pag-ensayo at masiguro ang magandang performance sa darating na Thailand SEA Games ngayong taon. Paulo Salamatin para sa Atletang Pilipino, para sa Bagong Pilipinas.